Welcome to the 4. The one safe is demon. Your next challenge is to do absolutely nothing. What? Whoosh. Ah. Whoosh. Ah. Oh my God, what happened? Oh, what the fuck? Whoosh. Whoosh. Oh no. It's my worst fear. Whoosh. Ewe. Whoosh. Alright, demon save. Vote out all of these guys.